Today, I'm pleased to announce the United States will join 1 Trillion Trees initiative.
Planting trees is nowhere near enough, and it cannot replace rewilding nature.
And the devastating loss of biodiversity are the greatest threats humanity has ever faced.
You end up with breaking the hydrological cycle.
And it totally dried out, and then trees were planted, and now the water's come back and people are drinking from it.
Somehow draw down atmospheric carbon. And one great natural technology to do that is in the form of trees and grasses.
This is not a drill.
There is a magic machine that sucks carbon out of the air, costs very little, and builds itself. It's called a tree. Nature is a tool we can use to repair our broken climate, and we can help ecosystems bounce back.
It is that simple. Protect, restore, fund.